All right, these are 83 EZ Hawgs. I've been riding them for a while now. They're super good, super slidey, super predictable. You can slide forever. These will add 1,000 feet to your stand-up slides. They'll also leave a little bit of thane here and there. And they also come in this really cool swirled pattern. Yeah, they look really great. They got a nice round lip, keep your slides really predictable and slidey. So compared to the 78A EZ Hawgs, the 83A will slide a little bit farther, last a little bit longer. And surprisingly, even though they're harder, they leave a little bit more thane than the 78As. They're actually really good. These are my favorite wheel from the Hawgs lineup. These wheels will change your life. These wheels are so good. You'll have nightmares about how good they are. But I guess they wouldn't be nightmares then. They'd be good mares.